coming down, huh? Homeboy got the whole setup. Volleyball tent. He's even putting the lines down. Look at that. Sick. Volleyball engineer.
Straightest line you ever fucking see.
It was actually better than that one.
Yeah, it was. 100 times.
Man, I appreciate it, Holmes.
Stuck again. Got this big old 4x4 right here though. Homie got the strap and everything. He's ready, he's prepared. You came to save the day. Alright, we got faces forward now. Huh, I tried to right now. I didn't video in the last one. Trying to get over the overpass right there. Get on some packed sand and we should be good. Hopefully. Here you go, bro. Hey, you want to get in, bro? No? Perfect, you got it? Hell yeah, that's what's up. My guardian angel, my savior. I'm telling you, have social media. I'll send you a video later. Damn, bro, that was a trip. How you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah, I bet.
No problem, guys.
Appreciate you. Thank you. I'm gonna be posting this on YouTube and Facebook. All right, we're nice and safe. Out of all the sand. La Mamalona's all dirty, but it's all good. Yeah, I'll probably make a little video later, put it all together. So we were stuck over there in the sand for like an hour, trying to get in and out. It was fun. And as we went to do that, because it was supposed to be real quick, we were supposed to go around and come over here where our setup is at. So what happened was we had the charcoal there, hot, ready to put the chicken in the fajita. And so since our cook man was with us, Jonathan, nobody decided to start the meat. So now we're gonna go get some charcoal. And hopefully it's not another adventure. Nah, it should be simple. Corner store, buy charcoal, let's go. All the RSX chilling right here. La Mamalona chilling. For all that work you put in.
Maybe when that was like, how about that?
You're good? I'll edit it out.
I think I'm gonna check.
Yo, we whooped that ass at volleyball, bro.
So bad they quit.
They quit. That's how bad we whooped them. Literally, they quit.
They're like, fuck this.
Quitters. Alright, extra crispy meat right here. What happened, chef?
The Truly's got me, dog.
The Trulies?
Truly's got me.
Trulies got you.
The beach girls got me.
Oh, the beach girls. I understand that. You lost track of time?
Yeah, I lost track of time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. What's it called? The attention span?
Attention span got fucking closed.
Damn. It's alright, bro. We'll just scrape it off. It'll be good.
I'll eat these. I don't know.
It's all good. We'll eat them. Got the volleyball tent set up. We were playing volleyball earlier. We were whooping ass. The other team started crying, so they went back in the water. You alcoholic? Advertising for Truly.
Sponsor me.
There you go. Yummy. Extra crispy. A little burnt, just how I like it. Got one in there. That was gonna be especially for me, special order. And we got this one cooking right here.
Security officer over there in the truck with pictures in the mud. And I said, if someone out that day and it's like 6 foot flex, Russian blonde bitch, and she's like, yeah, I just when you horse it. You know, they said they actually made 500 for you.
Let's see them pro level. Let's see. Pro level.
There you go.
She does this every other day, she said.
Fucking pro.
Every drink you take now, shot. I don't care if it's
You got it, you got it. There you go. Awesome. This video is sponsored by Truly Black Cherry Hard Seltzer. Yeah, okay.
Are you ready with this? Let me know when y'all ready.
Are we doing it right here?
Y'all did a great job.
Now that we know how much we can fit in one car,
The hatchback packed down.
let's be safe.
It's after 7 p.m. Fixing to head out. We had a long day, had a great day. It's been fun. I messed up this part right here. Push it and it broke off. It's okay. Probably gonna make like some type of custom wing or something on this, to be honest.